Kung sino sa sagot.
If NAS was already established when you were younger, would you have enrolled? And how do you think your career would have developed if you were a student here? If there are not NAS dati, bata ka pa, would you have enrolled? And how do you think na-develop your career mo with the help of NAS?
Depende po, no? Kasi sa Manila po ako natin. Sobrang, medyo malayo po. Pero kung ngayon po, bilang national athlete na po, I would love to visit po, magagawa po ng mga training camps sa mga students, sa mga athletes. Makapag-cross-training din po ako minsan sa mga iba't ibang sports kasi need din po siya ma-experience bilang athlete and gusto ko rin po, like, of course, mag-enjoy na habang ginagawa yung sports. Nakakakuha po ako ng knowledge and share din po ako ng mga na-experience ko sa Japan, yung mga na-experience ko sa mga pagkapanalo ko. Siyempre sa mga nahirapan akong bagay. Gusto ko i-share sa mga.
Seeing the NAS in person and in the long term, how excited are you to see young athletes in the NAS to perform in the international stage?
Super excited din po pagkapunta dito kasi hindi ko pa po siya nakikita in person. Siyempre, hindi ko rin po siya naririnig po. And super happy na may NAS po. Tinayo po yung ganito para sa mga nangangarap din. Kagaya ko, nangangarap din na sali sa international level. Of course, like, nag-hope po and praying po na marami pong mga estudyante na galing dito, mga atleta na makakompete and makita nila yung international level.
With Carlos success being crucial din na nakalabas po siya overseas for trainings, competitions. For the DepEd, how much of the budget would be allocated if the need arises for training camps overseas?
Well, yung budget ng DepEd for Sports is right now, it's palarong pambansa. So yun, sinasabi lang kulang ay yung budget. So dapat dagdagan. So siguro doon kami nakafocus at pag may naiwan, yun pwedeng ibigay sa mga mag-training overseas. But I think baka may overlap with PSC or Philippine Sports Commission kasi sila yung namimigay ng mga allowances for athletes.
Sec Sunny and Ma'am Joy, we haven't heard that much that a corporate giant like Jollibee will be throwing up some support to NAS. But how's that feeling that Jollibee will be throwing out that support to NAS?
Yeah, of course, we're very, very grateful because Jollibee chose NAS for their donation of 5 million. And this is such a huge help for NAS since they chose to support us by providing additional sports equipment. You know, this will really transform the competitive training experience of our students. So I'm really very, very grateful that we chose NAS since our students are the future Olympians, and of course here with Carlo with us, a big inspiration to our students.
Kami nagpapasalamat kami sa Jollibee dahil siya yung first corporate private sector team. So hindi namin makakalimutan ito at hopefully it will jumpstart a lot of help from the private sector. In the same way na maraming tumutulong sa edukasyon from the private sector. Sana ganun din. At makarami mo sports, mas marami mga atleta ang masusuporta, mas marami programa ng NAS.
Kaloy, nasabi nga ng kapwa mo athlete na si EJ Ubena that this is the golden age of Philippine sports, especially after your double gold sa Paris. How important it is para sa'yo na may ganitong parang program na National Academy of Sports to build on yung parang momentum na ginagawa niyo for Philippine sports?
Tingin po, ako rin po ay hindi po kasi pinapangarap na makilala yung gymnastics po. Or kahit hindi po gymnastics, pumasok po yung mga kabataan sa sports talaga. And syempre, lalo sila internationally po talaga. With the help of partnership with Jollibee and NAS po, may history na po siya talaga na pula yan talaga po. Kaya sobrang happy po talaga ako na may ganito po may experience yung mga bata. And syempre, willing po ako na talagang mag-share ng knowledge ko sa mga past experience ko and i-share sa kanila yung winning moment.
So sorry, we only have time for 2 quick questions.
Hi, Carlos.
Yeah.
For Ms. Dorothy Sana, what pushed you to partner with NAS and for inspiration for this project?
Yeah, so honestly, we were greatly impressed and inspired by the Philippine team's performance in the Paris Olympics. And we were thinking, what better way to honor the Olympians than to actually empower and really build the next generation of world-class Filipino athletes. And it so happens that that is also the vision of the National Academy of Sports. So we're really happy to partner with NAS to really turn that vision into reality and inspire the next generation of world-class Filipino athletes like Carlos Yulo.
Aloy, one more. Given any chance, are you willing na mag-do dito or mag-coach sa NAS? Given any chance, gusto mo mag-do dito sa NAS or mag-coach?
Coach? Future coach?
Help ko po na ma-share po yung mga knowledge ko. And syempre, isama po dito yung mga teammates ko and coaches ko para ma-share po namin yung mga na-experience namin sa iba't ibang training ko sa iba't ibang countries po. Syempre, gusto ko rin po na makita yung mga magagaling or magagandang potential ng mga bata na sumasabak po sa
So sorry guys, we have to bounce.